Well, I've just actually realised that was the Ikarus C-42 Piston we've just seen come over anyway. So as you can see, this is the ultralight plane apparently we've just seen, apparently. I think this is probably the only one we've seen today, apparently. I think this is the only plane we've only seen today anyway. But apart from that, we haven't really seen much of aircrafts this week because the weather has been slightly on and off this week between sun and rain, as we had for the last few days anyway. So as you can see, the registration as we see today is G-CLYA we see today apparently. And as you can see, that just took off. As you can see, that roughly took off from its base to Pamporth Airfield just before 4 o'clock, just after 4 o'clock anyway. So it literally just took off around 4:02 PM anyway, from its base to Pamporth anyway. Which, as you can see, that's been out doing some lessons anyway today, which that's just occasionally been out doing some lessons today anyway. So as you can see, just over on the north coast anyway. As you can see, it's just been out doing some lessons over on the north coast anyway. So yeah, as you can see, the height, well, as you can see to start with, he was about 33,000 feet to start with, and then just from here dropped down about 27,000 feet from here anyway. And as we saw it turning anyway, which just then he was about 24,000 feet he was. But as you can see now, he's just at 2,000 feet now anyway. He's slightly about 2,000 feet now anyway. As it's now, by the looks of it, there we go, it's just now about 2,000 feet now anyway. Okay, it's just dropped down a bit now anyway. Slightly dropping down a bit now anyway. Okay, so yeah, hopefully he should be heading back to his base at Pamporth Airfield. Hopefully he should be heading back to his base at Pamporth Airfield very soon, hopefully. Okay, so, yep. I think that's the only plane we've only seen today apparently, but apart from because of the weather, because of today it has been quite cloudy anyway, and all that, etc. But obviously because of that it has been quite cloudy here, and all that, etc. So yeah, I think this is the only plane we've only seen today apparently, especially because of the weather. Well, obviously because of the weather, it has been raining and sunny on and off since a few days anyway. Okay, so, yep, thanks for watching, bye bye.